Hey guys, Nate Dog here, and today I want to talk to you guys about update regarding the Advanced America Bridge and Croft State Park. And for you guys who don't know what I'm talking about, long story short, this past February there was a tornado, and flooding from that tornado destroyed the Advanced America Bridge, and been working for a while to try to get it replaced. And I started a GoFundMe a while ago. I'll link that down in the description below, to get money for it. And the Park Service has come up with a few options, and ultimately it's up to the Park Service. They get the final say so. But here are the options. The first one is what they want to go with is a rope bridge, which is a cheaper alternative because the bridge that we want is $100,000 and the rope bridge is roughly $65,000. And we did get money from the insurance company, which is $35,000, which is how much the other one cost. And the rope bridge isn't ideal because it isn't that stable, but it will allow the emergency people, like if someone needs to get rescued, it will allow ATVs and things like that to go through. But again, it's not that stable, and it's a temporary solution. It will last like maybe 5 years the most, and in that time we'll still try to get money for replacing the bridge with like a better sturdy bridge. The other option is to leave it the way it is and just over next few years get more money hopefully, and eventually and hopefully raise enough money to replace the bridge with a better one, which kind of sucks, but that's just the way it is. And the third option, which is the one that no one wants, is to basically just say screw it and leave it the way it is. Which, if they go with that, that's devastating because but when the bridge was still up, that was one of only two ways to get to the south side section of the park, which is where most of the more popular trails are. And the way it is now, with the bridge gone, there's only one other entrance, and that's a backside to it, and that one is miles away. And the way it goes now, if someone needs to be rescued on that particular part of the park, it would take a minimum, and I mean minimum, of 30 minutes because they have to put the equipment on the trailer, drive probably 5 miles out there, and then drive more miles into the actual trail to get to that person, which if they're bleeding, obviously that's not good. So again, it's up to the Park Service, and nothing is set in stone yet as far as what they're going to actually do, like final. So I'll definitely keep you guys posted as far as that goes. And again, I started the GoFundMe, and the link is down in the description below. If you can donate, please do so. If you guys haven't already, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.